Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And as I mentioned in my last video, okay, with my bikini bottom, okay, I do have a bikini top, okay, bikini top that it's a pair. Okay, so this is my bikini top and we will be doing a tutorial for this one, and this was my bikini bottom. Okay, so as you can see, it's very cute. Okay, so this is very simple. Okay, and just grab your yarn and your crochet hook. Okay, so this cup, okay, so you will be just chaining. I do have a video tutorial on how to make a bra cup. Okay, so if you like, you can do that, or else if you know how to crochet already, I will just go through with you, so make it easier. Okay, so you just have to chain, okay, from the bottom, okay, of your chest and going to the tip. Okay, so you have to measure that, and then after you had the chain, okay, you have to do a half double crochet. So I will show you guys just to make it simple. Okay, so you have to do the chain, okay, so for example, this is the chain that you need, okay, but for sure you need more than that. With this one I had, because I did use 2mm hook, so I had 16 to 18. Okay, so with this one this one is 4mm hook. Okay, so with the 4mm hook it will be a little bit bigger. Okay, so when you do have that, you just have to make sure that, okay, will this one, okay, is until there. Okay, so from here going there. So if you have your chain ready, okay, so you just have to chain 2, okay, and you have to half double crochet, okay, into that chain that you blocked. Okay, so half double crochet until to the last stitch. Okay, half double crochet, and then when we get to the last, okay, we are going to put 3 double crochet in the same stitch, 3 half double crochet. Okay, so that's 1, 2, so the same stitch, 3. Okay, and then we are going this way, so that is our middle, okay, so we're going to the next stitch and then half double crochet going to the end of your chain, okay, to the last chain. So you just have to do or put okay, so you just have to put half double crochet each. Okay, and we have one more. Okay, so that is our last stitch. Okay, half double crochet. Okay, so this is our bottom part. Okay, this is our top part. Okay, so when you after you've done that, okay, so chain 3, and then now we are going to do double crochet. Okay, so double crochet, double crochet until to the top, double crochet. Okay, so just make sure, be mindful here we have 3 there, so that is 1, 2 and 3 here. So in the middle we have to put 3 double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, and then go to the next, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet until to the last stitch of your project. Okay, so though that's how it looks like. So that is our small version. Okay, so you just have to continue that. Okay, from here going back there, and then from there going back there, and then all until you have your measurement. Okay, so with this one, this is my half double crochet. Okay, so my chain, and then half double crochet, and then double crochet, double crochet. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. Okay, so 1 row of half double crochet and 5 rows of double crochet. So that is my small size. Okay, and then after I've done that, so I made the other side, so it's the same. What you did in this side will be the same in this side. So I do have 1 rows of half double crochet, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of double crochet, half double crochet and 5 rows of double crochet. So when you have that, we will be doing this edging here. Okay, so this string here is just it's just a string, and I just connected it there. Okay, so the string is just a chain of how long do you want, and then single crochet. It's just single crochet, single crochet. Okay, so with this one here, as I mentioned in my other video, okay, in the bottom, bikini bottom, so it will be the same. So if you're starting from here, okay, insert your hook, okay, into the last, okay, chain, okay, and then chain 3 and 2, 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, and then from here, so you skip 2 and then to the third one. Okay, single crochet. Okay, if you want it a little bit more up, so you skip 1 and then you do the, okay, so it will make a little difference with the skip 2 will be stretch. Okay, so as you can see, if I do chain 3 and then add more, and then if I skip 2, okay, skip 2, go to the third stitch, okay, it's just sorry guys, it's just stretched a little bit. Okay, so if you want, you can do 2 or you can do 3. So this one is because it's bigger, so that's why. Okay, but that's an option. Okay, so you just have to continue that going around. Okay, so with mine is I do 2 and then connected it. Okay, so you just have to go around and then you have to do the same in the other side. Okay, so with this one, okay, with the top here, because I do have attached there already, so this one is a chain. Okay, and then single crochet. Okay, chain and then single crochet, and in here from this side, okay, I just did a 3 chain and then connected into the other side, so there's no double. Okay, no, yes, so you can do that as well, but it's just for me, I did this way. Okay, so you can do that, and then it will be just there. But yeah, with mine is I didn't put them. Okay, so I just connected one. Okay, so that's all guys. It's very simple. It's very simple, and our video is very short as well, because this is very easy. So when you connected, you just finish. If you started here, you are going to finish it here. Okay, so the same, and you'd be doing the same in this side as well. Okay, so that it looks like, so you can spread it out. Okay, or you can put it together. Okay, so this one is just a chain, this one is connected. Okay, so that we have 2 there that we can tie it up at the back of our neck. There you go. And this one is around our body. Okay, so this is around our body. And with here, what I did here, okay, so I did in this same, in the other side, so 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so what I did is on the first double crochet, okay, I did inserted. Okay, inserted, and then skip 2. Okay, skip 2, inserted. Okay, and then after that skip 3. Okay, inserted, skip 3, inserted, skip 3, inserted, skip 3, inserted, and skip 3, inserted, and then skip 3, inserted as well, and then come out. And then in the other side, it's the same. So I have 1 here, I have 1 there as well. Okay, so this one, I have 1 here left, and I started 1 here as well. And then insert, and then 3, skip, 3, skip, 3, skip, 3, skip, 3, skip, 3, skip, and 3 skip, and then come out this side. Okay, so guys, this is very simple. And if you have any questions, if you have any comments, or anything, please leave your comments below. I will be very happy to read them. If you like this video, if you like my my bikini top, please like my video, share, and if you're new, please subscribe. That will help me grow. I know I'm just a beginner, but I do have lots of idea, and this is just one that I made myself. Okay, and thank you very much guys, and please come back and I would love to hear what your thoughts. And until the next video, I still have plenty of videos or project that I've finished already. It's just taking that time to do a tutorial and uploading it. Okay, thank you very much, guys, and hope I will see you in another video. Bye.